Spectrum of hydrogen. In back video, we studied about the energy level or orbit or say. There are 7 cells K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, and in case of hydrogen, atomic number of hydrogen is 1. The electron of hydrogen present in K cell in ground state. When it is excited, means when electron gains obtain energy from outside, it is excited. Thus, it jumps from low energy level to high. As the distance of cell increases from the nucleus, energy increases. Energy of Q is maximum, while energy of K is minimum. So when electron is excited, it jumps from low energy level to high. It does not stay there for a long time and returns soon after 10 power minus 8 seconds into its ground state, that is in its previous state. In this sense, a lot of lines are obtained due to emission or due to absorption of photon of the required wavelength. The group of lines having similar or approximately similar intensity make series. In spectrum of hydrogen, 5 types of series are obtained, known as Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, Brackett series, and Thung series. This is our first cell, that is K cell, first energy level. Second cell, L. Third cell, M. Fourth cell, M. Fifth cell, O. Sixth cell, P. Seventh cell, Q. So when electron jumps from K to L or K to M or K to M, for this K is ground energy level, minimum energy level, and except K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, all are higher energy state. It may be also happen like electron jumps up to L cell, and after this it raises in upward gradually. Third possibility, electron will reach in third cell and from this it will start to enter in upper energy level. This is known as Balmer series, Lyman series, Lyman series. This is Balmer series. This is Paschen series. This is Bracket series. And this is Fund series. This process is known as absorption spectrum. Means first of all, electrons will gain energy from outside and jumps from low energy level to high. It is known as absorption spectrum. Reverse of this is also true. When electron will return into ground, that is low energy level from high energy level, then it is known as emission spectrum. So either emission or absorption, photon of required wavelength is either absorbed or emitted by electron. So on the basis of wavelength of absorbed photon, on the basis of wavelength of absorbed photon or emitted photon, we will obtain the intensity of lines present in either series, either in Lyman or in Balmer or Paschen or Bracket or Fund. First, Lyman series. For this, 1 upon lambda, that is nu bar. Nu bar means wave number. Number of wave present in per unit length called wave number is equal to R 1 upon N1 square minus 1 upon N2 square. It present in ultraviolet region just before the violet, ultraviolet region. For this, N1 is equal to 1 because series is started from K shape and N2 always greater than. Second, Balmer series. For this, 1 upon lambda or nu bar wave number is equal to R 1 upon N1 square minus 1 upon N2 square. The Lyman series is started from L. L means second orbit or second phase. So for this, N1 is equal to 2 and N2 always greater than 2. Some lines present in ultraviolet and many lines are in visible region, that is between 4000 angstrom to 8000 angstrom. Third, Paschen series. 1 upon lambda nu bar is equal to r 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. For this n1 equal to 3, it is started from the young cell. Young cell is third cell. It is started from the third cell, that is from the young cell. n2 always greater than 3. Fourth bracket series. For this 1 upon lambda nu bar is equal to r 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. n1 equal to 4, n2 always greater than 4. Number 5th, Fund series. One upon lambda nu bar is equal to r 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. For this n1 is equal to 5, n2 greater than 5. It present in infrared region, having the wavelength more than red, more than 8000 angstrom. The similar pattern is set up for the emission spectrum. In emission, electron decreases its energy. It is done by emission of required energy of photon. If electron present in high energy level initially and returns into its low energy level, then spectrum is regarded as emission spectrum. Formula is similar for both. 5 types of series exist in both type of spectrum of hydrogen.
आइएगा आप स्कूल आइएगा मत, ठीक ना?
हमारा
मोबाइल रख देना।
At last, electron halt reach in K cell, and it is regarded as Lyman series. Second case, if electron halts at L, second cell. These all are Balmer series. Paschen series. bracket series. Hund series. This is known as emission spectrum, means electron returns from high energy level to low energy level. Emission spectrum. In next video, we will study about distribution of electron in different orbit in different cells. So remember atomic number and mass number for some atoms. On the basis of that, we will distribute proton, neutron in nucleus and electrons in different orbits. We will study about this in next video.